So typical flower shows four important whorls: the essential and the accessory. The essential whorls are androecium and gynoecium. The single member of androecium is called stamene, and the single member of gynoecium is called as carpel or pistil. The accessory whorls: calyx, which is whose single member is sepal; the corolla, whose single member is petal. So the typical flower shows four whorls: essential whorls and the accessory whorls. When we are moving with the sexual reproduction in plant, so we will see three sequence or these three events: pre-fertilization, fertilization and the post-fertilization processes. जब हम सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन प्लांट्स पढ़ेंगे तो हम पहले पढ़ेंगे कि फर्टिलाइजेशन के पहले क्या होगा. फर्टिलाइजेशन इज़ व्हाट? इज़ फ्यूजन ऑफ गैमेट. फ्यूजन के पहले क्या होगा, फ्यूजन के बाद क्या होगा, फ्यूजन एंड द फर्टिलाइजेशन. सो there are three sequential processes take place in the sexual reproduction. That is pre-fertilization, what will happen before fertilization. Then there is actual fertilization and the post-fertilization. In plant, in this chapter, when you study sexual reproduction, you will be studying first the processes before fertilization, then fertilization, and then you will be studying post-fertilization. Here I have written androecium. You know what is androecium? The single member of androecium is called stamene. This is stamene. See, the single is stamene and together they are called as androecium. I have made this androecium two lobes वाले बनाए हुए हैं. The androecium is bilobed. See, you can see each androecium is bilobed. So here the stamene shows anther and filament. This is anther and this is filament. आपको पता है ऊपर वाला part is anther and this is filament. The one member is stamene, together they are called as androecium. The anther is always bilobed. Anther mainly bilobed है, देखो दो lobes दिख रहे हैं. So anther is bilobed. The anther is bilobed and having four pollen sacs. उनके अंदर अगर देखा जाए तो 4 pollen sacs will be getting. This is your anther और यहाँ पे दो lobes दिख रहे हैं आपको. There are 2 lobes. You can see each lobe में 2 sacs है, 2 sacs, so total 4 sacs. So the anther is bilobed and having 4 pollen sacs. This anther is described as diathysious. Diathysious means 2 lobes, and tetrasporangiate. Tetra means 4, sporangia means bag, sacs. What is diathysious androecium or diathysious anther? The anther is always bilobed. If it is bilobed, it's called as diathysious. And there are 4 pollen sacs. So 4 pollen sacs के लिए term use हुआ है tetrasporangiate. Describe anther. Anther is bilobed and it is tetrasporangiate.